Don't call yourself a man when your country is covered by enemies. If your children don't sleep peacefully in fear, if your mother, sisters, and grandmothers are also humiliated and cry, if you don't take a deep breath from the air of your homeland, if the enemy covers your homeland and your people are left on the streets, if the enemy wears a hat and plays the Atlas style, don't call yourself a man when your heart agrees to this. Don't call yourself a man if a storm rages in your land, if your wealth is ruined and the ominous crows sing, if your innocent parents are captured and killed, if your children are orphaned alive and you cry when you raise them, if that filthy, unclean enemy enters your house and lives, if the motherland is driven out of its homeland, if you don't call yourself a man, if your heart agrees to this, don't call yourself a man. If you don't have a free homeland, don't have the anger to set fire to your enemy, don't call yourself a man. If you don't have such a heart, don't even call yourself a man. If you are deceived, if you are deceived, what good is it if you don't have a homeland? If you don't have people in your homeland, no matter how free the homeland is, if you don't have manhood, don't call yourself a man if your heart is willing to do it. If someone calls you an animal, you will cry and tear your collar, but why do you wait like an animal to be eaten? I don't know how you can swallow so much humiliation and suffering. If you can't fight and believe me, you will become a nation. Take your weapon and leave your house. What else do you expect? How can you look at those weak mothers and sisters in the face? Don't call yourself a man if your heart is willing to do this. When the enemy comes out of the wall and jumps over the mountains, when he covers your homeland like a black fog, when he kills your people and brings misery in return, when he piles misery on top of your misery, don't you think I have a conscience? If that's not enough humiliation, if you don't shed it, will your children shed that blood? Don't you think you're a man if your heart agrees to this? Oh, my right couldn't go